Okay guys, I'm Coedotzz. This time I want to upgrade the RAM. Here I have 16 gigabytes of Kingston HyperX Fury. Right now my RAM is still using 32 gigabytes. First, we open it, then unplug the power, yes, and then we will disassemble it. Now be careful when installing the RAM, guys. Make sure not to make a mistake or install it backward. It will be a hassle if that happens. We close it, then we put it back, then plug the power back in, and then we insert it, and it's done. What else? Okay, let's turn it on now, and then the computer is on. Now after that, I want to check here. It's already 64 gigabytes.
Well, it worked. Maybe that's all. Thank you guys.